What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Samsung has started rolling out a brand new update for a wonderful good luck module called Wonderland, and I wanted to keep you guys posted about this. Let's go to the Galaxy Store, update applications. You can see Wonderland has got a brand new update with a big list of changelog here. The latest version is 1.6.19 and the update size is about 52 MB, and in the changelog it says improved the application so that the 3D effect is applied again when using portrait photos for motion wallpapers, changed photo and video permissions to optional permissions, and updated the app to request permission only when loading actual files, fixed an issue where videos and animations in wallpapers would occasionally stop, improved storage usage through resource optimization and cleanup of unnecessary temporary files, fixed an issue where restore could fail during backup restore due to incorrect resource handling. Now frankly, there is no new features which has been added. The application has been basically improved. It is more optimized now. But the purpose of this video is not just to show what this update is all about, but also to show what this application is all about. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Wonderland app, what it does, how you can make use of it on your Galaxy phone. Wonderland is an insane application which not only enables you to create your own moving wallpapers, but also you can create your different lock screen effects. Now we all unlock our phones hundreds of times a day, and it's always nice to have a cool looking transition or animation when you unlock your phone. It's actually pleasing to the eyes, and it may make you unlock your phone more often just to see that satisfying effect. To get this application, all you need is Good Lock app from Samsung. Now Good Lock is globally available on the Galaxy Store or on Play Store. You can just open Galaxy Store, search for Good Lock. Once you download Good Lock, just open it. You will see a bunch of plugins or applications right here within Good Lock app. Now Good Lock is basically a launcher kind of an application on which all these applications are available. Now here, all you need to do is just search for Wonderland, download it. You will see these two options right here the moment you open it. It says create your own moving wallpaper, create your different lock screen effect. Now first let's check out creating the lock screen effect. Let me tap on this. Now you will see a bunch of default wallpapers, moving wallpapers created on this application. If you want to select a new wallpaper, just tap on new. It is going to give you this gallery button right here at the bottom left. Tap on that. You can select the image for both lock screen as well as AOD. For now, I will select it for lock screen. I'll tap on gallery. I will select a specific image here. Maybe let's go with panda, and I'll just close this. And then let's select AOD. I will select another panda here, and let's close this. Now the second option is where the magic happens. This is the transition effect that you get to see. We've got a bunch of options here like CRT, pixelate, ripple, spear, warp, edge, blur, hexagon, slice, flip, slide, fluid. Select the one that you want. Now we select a specific one, you can actually see that effect in the background. I really wish the Good Lock team makes this background visible so that we can directly see this effect right here on the screen when we select a specific effect. But anyways, let me just select this ripple option. I will close this. And now we can actually preview it. We have got screen off effect here. Now I'll tap on screen off. Now you can see this AOD here. Now I will tap on screen on. You see, that is the ripple effect that we are getting on the lock screen. Now if you want to further customize it, you can tap on this button here. You can change the speed, waves and depth for this specific effect. I would like to leave it default, and then just tap on download and name this specific lock screen effect, and you're done. Now just tap on set as wallpaper. I will select lock screen and home screens. Now let's lock the phone here. And now here is the always on display. We've got the same wallpaper here. And when I double tap on this, this is how the ripple effect looks. This is the AOD. And when I press the side key here, you see that ripple effect, it goes to the lock screen. Pretty cool, isn't it? Now here there is one cool hidden option. When you tap on the settings button, we've got interactive animation. Wallpaper will be animated based on touch interactions. I will enable this. Now what happens is whenever you tap on the home screen wallpaper, you see there is a response there on the home screen. This may not be that useful, but yeah, in case if you want this, you can always enable this. That's how we create that effect on the lock screen, which look beautiful. We have got various different effects. You can select the one that you like. Now let's go ahead and check out how to create your own moving wallpaper. Let me select this. We've got a bunch of them which we can customize it further here, but let's start from scratch. I will tap on plus button. Now here we can create wallpapers from the scratch from the gallery app, or we can create our own gradient wallpaper colors or a plain wallpaper, solid wallpaper right here by tapping on color. Now I'll just select a specific color, let's say this one here. Now this is how the wallpaper looks. Now we can create our own gradient here. What I'll do is I'll tap on plus to add another color here. I will add yellow, tap on done. You can see we have got the beautiful yellow and orange gradient color effect right here. And we can also shift this. You can see we can increase the intensity of orange on the top, or we can do that. We can increase the intensity of the yellow color at the bottom. And we can also rotate this. You see, we've got this rotation button here. Just rotate the color direction here. As you can see, the gradient is changing here, which is just perfect. This is brilliant. If you love these gradient wallpaper effects, then you can create your own gradient wallpapers. You don't have to rely on any other third-party applications. You can create it right here. Now I will add one more color here. I'll tap on this color option. Maybe let's say green. I'll tap on done. Now you see we have got yellow, green and orange combination here, and I will be able to move this to change the position of these colors, which is just brilliant. You see here, this is how you can do this. Amazing, isn't it? This is how we can create gradient wallpapers. Once done, all you need to do is just save background, and you can just go ahead and download this by tapping on this button, save it and set it on the home screen. But if you want to further edit it, you can do that as well. We've got motion effect option. We can enable motion effect. We can change the X and Y movement here. We've got plus button here to add image, text, video, particle effect and particle preset. Let me tap on image. Now I can select an image from the gallery. Just for example, I will select this panda here and I will just expand this. There we go. Now I'll tap on plus button. I can select text. If I want to write something here, I can just type. I'll just set I am panda. And again here I can have different colors. I will select red here, or I can select some other color here. You can always come back here and further adjust this. I'll just tap on preview, and this is not what I want. So what I'll do is I will reduce the size. I will drag it to the top here. Now let's see how it looks. Yeah. I mean, this is just something basic that I'm creating here. And you can also see it shows how it looks on the lock screen with the lock screen clock here with the shortcuts here. And depending on that, you can create your own wallpaper. It keeps flashing here the lock screen elements, which you can see right here. You can see the clock here and shortcuts here. Now I'll tap on plus and I'll tap on video in case if I want to add any video from the gallery, I can do that. For now, let's leave that there. Let's tap on particle effect and I'll just select any of the particles here. For example, this one, we've got flying snowflake effect, scattered raindrops. I will select scattered raindrops, autoplay or touch effect. Let me select touch effect and let's preview this. You see, when I touch the screen, you've got that effect right here. Now, if you want to change this, you can change this. You've got various other customization options right here. You can change the background color. You can change the color of this particle. There are so many things you can do. Once done, just tap on download and tap on save. Now, I'll just set this as wallpaper on the home screen. You see, this is the home screen wallpaper which I just created. So if you're creative, you can do a lot on this. You can create your own wallpapers with various different particle effects and gradients and with video on it. And you can also have some cool looking lock screen effect on the Galaxy phone. So go ahead, check out this application. You see, whenever I swipe on the screen, you get that drops here. That's a cool effect. Go ahead and check out, create your own wallpapers, create your own lock screen effect, and let me know what do you think about this application in the comment section. So Wonderland is definitely wonderful, and if you're a customization lover, you'll be glad to play with this application. So go ahead and check out Wonderland on Good Log. Now that is Wonderland for you guys. Let me know what you think. Have you been using this application on your Galaxy phone? If you're not, then you're missing out on a lot of customization features. So do go ahead and check out Wonderland, download it on Good Log and start using it. And while you're using Good Log, you may need some beautiful wallpapers for customization. You can use our own wallpaper application, Wallpapers. There are some amazing categories, some portrait wallpapers, and there are tons of collections available on the application. Go ahead, check them out. The link is in the description. And while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel to know your phone better and give this video a like if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.